Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm gonna show you how to create a Tradingview alert bot. All right, this is gonna be a quick video. We're not gonna waste too much time on this one. I'm just gonna give you guys a quick step-by-step guide on how to get this done. So let's jump straight into it. Now the first step is to select the alert options. So you want to select the alert option from the menu, and this is going to take you to the alert page where you can create and manage your alerts. Step 2, of course, is to create a new alert. So you want to create a new alert and give it a name, and you can choose from various alert types, including price alerts, indicators, and strategy alerts. Step 3 is to set up your alert. So set up your alerts by adding conditions and actions, and you can use Pine scripts to create your alerts. And step 4 is to automate your alerts. So you want to automate your alerts by setting up a bot, and you can use the Tradingview bot feature to automate your alerts. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to create a Tradingview alert bot. I hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and I will catch you guys in the